Hi, this is John, FECN News. Um, I'm got my UAV or what they commonly call a drone. I'm just heading out just a little bit. It's only a couple minutes long. Obviously, um, I'm dubbing in some voice recording over this. When you're 100 feet up in the air, you're not going to be able to record anything, audio-wise, voice-wise. So, if you want to add some voiceover or something you have to do, after you have recorded the video, actually. So this is the area where I live. I get a little bit close to some of the tree branches, just to show you that, yeah, I can kind of get in kind of close to things. It's not a problem. That's my house. Not much here. I could just as easily add some music overs and some voiceovers and a little animation effects if I wanted to, and all kinds of different things. Just some ideas. Typically, drones are used. I use them for insurance purposes during, hurricanes or high winds or something, where somebody might want me to come on over and take some storm damage assessments of the property for insurance and contractors and all kinds of different things like that. But they're also great for entertainment values and nature videos and all kinds of different things. So I'm just doing this just to give you a little bit about an idea and maybe spur some ideas.